Welcome Bhaiya Bans. Today we shall read gender. First of all, you should write your name. After that, you will write your father's name. Now you should write your mother's name. And when you fill up the form, that time you also fill sex. In sex, you write male or female. Now we should come to the definition of gender. The definition of gender is, it denotes the sex of noun. It means the sex that you write, that is your gender. So gender denotes the sex of noun. Now we should come to its kinds. Gender has 4 kinds: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. In Hindi, there are only 2 kinds of gender, that is masculine gender and feminine gender. But in Sanskrit, you read 3 kinds of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender and neuter gender. But English, we have 4 kinds: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Now one by one we shall know these all 4 genders. First of all, we should know masculine gender. It denotes the male group of noun. The word that denotes the male group of noun, that is called masculine gender. For example, boy, father, brother, uncle, husband, etc. These all are masculine genders. Now we should come to number 2, that is feminine gender. It denotes the female group of noun. Masculine denotes male group and feminine denotes female group. And the example of feminine gender is girl, mother, sister, aunt, wife, etc. So masculine is for male and feminine for female. Now we should come to common gender. Common gender, it denotes both male and female groups of noun. For example, teacher. A teacher may be male or female. Doctor, it may be male or female. In the same way, student may be male or female. Friend and clerk are other examples of common gender. It means both male and female are present in this group. Now we should come to neuter gender. Neuter gender, it denotes non-living things. That is watch, table, chair, pen, book, fan, etc. If you see all around you, you will find so many examples of neuter gender. In this classroom, except teacher and students, all things are neuter gender. So you can write more and more examples of neuter gender. Now we should come to the assignment. Memorize definition and kinds of gender, and you will write 5 examples of each kind of genders. Next day we will know how to change masculine gender into feminine gender, because there are many masculine genders which are changed into feminine gender. Thanks a lot.